I am Ashrafli, and today we will discuss about configuring the custom toolbar in advanced option. One custom toolbar is present in TMX. This toolbar can be filled with actions from the Latex math and user menu. Since many since many of those items don't have icons, user icons can be loaded as well. This is achieved by applying load other icon from the contrast menu on a item in the custom toolbar list in the configure dialog. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and now we'll move to the text studio. Go to option menu, configure text studio, and go to show advanced option. Okay, here is the toolbars. Here is a custom in which you can choose file, edit tools, math, format, table, differential, and view and central. Here is a math and latex menus, all menus and special tags. I want to first of all discuss about latex and math menus are all document class, use package, ms package, begin document, title page, other page, date, make title, table of contents, part, chapter, section, subsection, and also include uh, is quote, quotation, words, verb, term, table, figure, title page, atomize, numerate, description, item, boxes also available here, and mini page, rule, and font sizes, font styles also available here, and multi-column, multi-row, high line, v line, break, page break, line break, big scape, mid scape, small scape. Also is new line, and special gutter charts also available here, and also comments here, rows, columns, and bibliography style, bibliography, add source, and insert to document name, text document, insert language as text comment, insert coding as text as wish. Also it's subscript, superscript, fraction, diffraction, square root, left, right, array, ms package, align at f line, gather, multi-column line, also it stars, environment cases, environment split, and also to geometric functions, and special characters, overset, and also spacing modes. Now we'll go to the all menus, in which you see that is a file. Number one is file. In file we see that is new, open, save as, and in edit we see that copy paste, go to bookmark, and line operation, text operations are also available here. And effects is erase word command, environment, paste as latex, convert latex, on comment, indent, unindent, hard line, break, rename environment, and parentheses are also available here. In tools, we see that build and view, compile, stop, compile, view, bibliography, glossy, indexes, and also available layers and so many others. In Latex, we see that document class, use package, ms package, begin document, title, other, and sections in Latex. We see that. And in math, we have already discussed. And in wizards, we see that quick start, quick beamer, quick letter, quick tabular, quick tabbing, and array math. Insert graphic and math instance are also available. In bibliography, we see that article in journal, article in conference, proceeding, article in collections, chapter on pages, and booklet, and so many others available here. Macros, edit macros, and in view, see that previous document, next document, open document. In show, see that embedded PDF large, show embedded PDF small, in collapse, expand, grammar adds, and so others. And in options, we see that configure texstudio and load profile, save profile, current photos, and others. In help, we see that Latex reference, user manuals, check Latex installation, check active completion files, check language tool, bugs, reports, etc., and so many others. Friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.